Glenda, the judge says she will talk to officials at the Wayne County Jail and then issue her ruling next month.
This is not the typical run-of-the-mill case.
In the brief pretrial hearing, Bob Bashara asked for the laptop at his expense to be able to type notes and enlarge documents so he can read them. He says diabetes has caused his vision to be distorted.
I have macular degeneration, and it's very difficult for me to read pieces of paper without my glasses.
His defense attorney also told the judge to print out thousands of pages would not be practical, and he cannot be there with his client with a computer.
The time it would take to go over every bit of discovery with him on our laptops, we would be there for years.
The assistant prosecutor made sure the computer would not have internet access. It won't. Bob Bashara is charged with the murder of his wife, Jane, in their Grosse Pointe Park garage in January of 2012. A handyman, Joe Gentz, came forward, admitted he killed Jane for money, and is in prison. Bashara pleaded guilty to trying to hire a hitman to kill Gentz and is already facing 20 years in prison. He denies involvement in his wife's murder.
I do not want to give the appearance of giving Mr. Bashara any other rights or privileges that anyone else would have. But at the same time, the reality is that this is a very different case.
So the judge will review the computer issue on January the 9th. The trial is set for March the 3rd. Ladies?
So, Jim, this will be the trial to watch.
Well, it already has. As we've seen, the evidence shows Bashara killed his wife so he could have an alternative lifestyle, the dungeon, the bondage, the mistresses, and now he's facing growing old and alone in prison.
All right, Jim. Thanks so much for the update.